So the villagers and local clinics can't afford them. And whenever someone who really need ventilator on the critical situation, so what hospital does? They shifted the patient into another hospital, but that time
It's very
taken
critical.
that situation is very critical for the patient. So we made a short ventilator. We have 7 features on it. Number 1 is this glucose sensor. This sensor is called a weight sensor. Whenever the glucose bottle is goes under weight 50 grams, so the buzzer will ring and a message sent it to the nurse by GPS and GSM module. So she can come and change the bottle. For maintaining hygiene of the patient, this sensor is called raindrop module. Okay. So whenever the bed sheet is get wet, so the buzzer will ring and the notification sent it to the nurse that she can just come and change the bed sheet. Okay. And the main part of my model is this ventilator. We use this ampo bag into it, and this pipe is connected to the oxygen cylinder. And here is a servo motor which push this bag and create pressure.
So create the pressure.
Yes. So the short oxygen sacs get shifted to the lung alveoli to the patients. Okay. We also have voice module, fan and light. If a person is handicapped or paralyzed, so just he or she can command from the mobile, and light and fan can be conducted by her own self. Okay. And in COVID-19 we hear a lot of problems that in government hospitals nurses and doctors can't cure patient properly. But I don't think that this is true condition. They did their best all of the time. So a live recording is sent it to the parents or the guardians of the patient. But there is a conflict. If they send it a treatment video of the parents of the guardian, but this is illegal. So we use a Raspberry Pi, which is a microcontroller. So the AI sends the treatment and the live recording is automatically shut down. Okay. We also use a detachable trolley that we can move it easily, and if the person is
System can go in.
yes, in the ambulance for sure. You can move this into the ambulance.
Wonderful.
Whose idea was it?
This was my idea, my teacher's.
Lovely.